Another thing I want to add, I took off the shell remains that was around them at the true leaves. So going from there, probably gonna have to start separating these soon. What's going on? Day 24, folks. I'm gonna start off like this. Since the apple seedlings, yesterday I came in and one was growing right into the lid, so I took the whole lid off. We're gonna start them off like this from now on. As far as the pineapple crew go, this one maybe getting planted next. Its roots are going, so. And the other ones, this one look alright, but they're not like this. Stocked up. Scraps going out. I'm just out here saying hi. How y'all doing? We got hit by the rain last night, so you know how that go. Now segment 2, day 24. All right. So what the plan is, I'm flipping everything. Have to. Pile 2. Outside temps. Looking like 61. And 60. Outside temps for pile 3. 59 and 60. Outside temps 59 and 60. For the spare green pile, today I'm going to not do the inside temps because it's just so small now. What, 59 to 60? The dry patches, of course. I know these got to get raked through, turned over. That's about it for this though. Pile 2, inside temps. I've seen a high of 67. A low of 62. Pile 3. High of 68. Pile 4. $62 and 67. Again, for the day, the plans are to just flip everything minus pile 1. Be back soon. Alright, everything mixed. Now just to rake all the active and wet piles in shape. That'll be it. Mixed and mastered. I'll catch you tomorrow.